Imagine a red, cold desert planet that once may have had rivers, oceans, and maybe even life. Today, we're diving deep into the most fascinating secrets of Mars, theories of ancient life, the possibilities of human exploration, and yes, the mind-blowing Martian seasons. Stay with me because what you'll hear here, you won't find anywhere else. When we think of Mars, we picture a red desert, but 35 billion years ago, it may have been a blue world. Scientists have discovered dried riverbeds, deltas, and minerals that can only form in liquid water, and here's where it gets juicy. Some believe that Mars didn't just have water, it may have had microbial life. In 1996, a meteorite found in Antarctica called ALH-84001 contained structures that looked like fossilized bacteria. Even Bill Clinton gave a press conference about it. Were they real microbes? Science still debates. Mars has always been more than science. For the Romans, it was the god of war. For the Greeks, Ares. In many cultures, the red planet symbolized strength and sometimes bad omens. In the 19th century, Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli drew maps of Mars and described canali, which the press mistranslated as canals, sparking the myth of intelligent Martians. Spoiler, there were no canals, but the legend of little green men stuck forever in pop culture, inspiring countless stories, movies, and theories about life on Mars. Did you know Mars also has seasons just like Earth, but way more extreme? In summer, temperatures at the equator can reach 20 degrees, 68 degrees. In winter, 125 degrees, 193 degrees at the poles. And these seasonal shifts trigger giant dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. In 2018, a global dust storm was so massive that it shut down the Opportunity rover after 15 years of exploration. Imagine a storm that covers an entire planet. For months. Could we live on Mars? Elon Musk says we'll live on Mars. NASA is planning human missions in the coming decades. But could we actually survive there? Gravity is only 38% of Earth's. You'd weigh less, but your bones would weaken. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, so without a spacesuit, you'd last about 2 minutes. Days are nearly the same length as on Earth, 24 hours and 39 minutes. Perfect for an extra coffee break. The real challenge isn't getting there. It's staying. We'd need pressurized domes, hydroponic farming, and radiation shields. And here's the cool part. Scientists are already experimenting with 3D printing habitats, using Martian soil itself. There's a wild and thrilling idea that maybe we're not truly Earthlings at all. We might be Martians in disguise. According to the panspermia hypothesis, life didn't necessarily start on Earth, but could have traveled here from elsewhere in the cosmos. One version suggests that long ago, a meteorite blasted off Mars carrying tiny microbes survived the brutal journey through space and crash-landed on Earth. From those resilient little hitchhikers, all plants, animals, and eventually us may have evolved. So when we look up at Mars and wonder, is there life out there? The twist might be that Mars already gave us life. In other words, we could all be children of the red planet still searching for our family roots among the stars. Mars is more than a red planet. It's a mirror of what Earth once was, and what our future might be. A world that tells stories of lost oceans, possible bacteria, brutal seasons, and the dream of colonization. The real question is, will we be explorers? Or just tourists complaining about bad Wi-Fi? Do you think life once existed on Mars? Would you move to the red planet? Or would you rather stay here, with your mother-in-law? If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe, share, and hit the bell, because this channel is where science meets irony and entertainment. See you in the next orbit. Imagine a day when humans set foot on Mars where scientists are already planning the first colony. An aerial view reveals domed habitats designed to sustain life amidst the harsh Martian environment, a stark contrast to the desolation surrounding it. As a futuristic rover roams the surface, it collects data about the possibility of past life forms lurking beneath the dust. Picture this: hopeful explorers could one day stand where no human has before, driven by curiosity and ambition, striving to uncover the secrets of the red planet.